Hello folks, I'm LA Little and this is today's 1 minute trade. And actually today we're going to do something slightly different. Over the last 2 or 3 months I've been working on some programs and I've actually implemented them and using them, and you've seen them here in some of the videos we've done. And what that is post earnings trade, and what you see here is a watch list. I pulled in some symbols this morning. I've got programs that run that identify all the stocks that have reported earnings, and as those stocks report, creates files. I pull those files in, and then these are the earnings from yesterday. And what will happen is a little bit later today I'll be able to see what the reaction of the market is to those earnings and how those earnings get either bought or sold. And you can see here from yesterday it pulled in 130 symbols. So I'll flip through those charts later today. I'll add those to the watch list. Well, where do they get added? They get added to these earnings watch lists that are shared for all members of TA Today. And I'm not talking about just a registered user, but a member, a paying member of the site. Someone has access to the TA Today tools. Why is it valuable? Well, because those earnings, if you look at the past 3 months, I've been doing this for 3 months. Here's the bullish ones and the bearish ones. Didn't start doing the bearish ones until July. But if you look at the returns that have been generated, this is May. If you held it, and this is, you buy it 2 days after, which is the day after I post it. You buy it on the open, on the longs. These are the average gains that have taken place. What's the ideal behind this? Well, if a company is rewarded for its earnings, then typically it's going to be rewarded for the next 2.5 months until earnings come up again. And so you can see the kind of gains that were had. Realize this was May, market was reasonably bullish, got good returns. So far, we've got this kind of returns on those things in June that were bullish. Same thing in July. So far, that's the kind of returns they've seen. And the one that we've started in July is the bearish one as well, and you can see the kind of returns returned on the bearish ones. Usually bearish ones go down faster. So that's post-earnings trades setups. They get created, they get stuck on a watch list. You can, if you just bought every one of them when they appeared on the watch list on the open that day and held them for these durations, that's the kind of gains you would have got. Very, very powerful feature. It's something that we've automated now. Other than me just simply reviewing them, the rest of it's all automated and available to you as a member of TA Today. And that is today's 1 minute, I don't know about a trade, but a 1 minute review, maybe we should call it. How about 3 minutes?